everybody, my name is Emily McKinnon. I'm here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. We're right off of the 99 between Corvallis and Eugene. Today I'm going to give you a closer look at the Coachmen Leprechaun. This is a 31 floor plan, so it's 31 feet from the bumper to the end of the cab here. We're on a 450 chassis, and I'm going to take you around on the outside to show you some of the storage. You've got outdoor entertainment here. This is a television set with speakers. Got some storage here. And I'll take you around to show a little bit more of the storage. There we go. And this is a really neat feature that Coachmen does with the Leprechaun. We've got a full pass-through storage here in the back. There's your spare tire. This is a pre-owned unit. Huge amount of storage space there. You can fit lots of chairs, tables, awning toppers for your slide outs, outside shower, water hookup. Let's go inside and we'll check out the floor plan. All right, so again, we are in the Coachmen Leprechaun 31 floor plan. This is a great floor plan for just two traveling, or this is actually a really great family floor plan too. It's nice and spacious, very wide. You have a couch with your seatbelts that goes down into a jackknife sofa. You've also, of course, this is a Class C. You've got your bunk right above the cab here. A nice U-shaped dinette. I love this because with my kids, I love playing cards, board games, and it's a really nice thing to have a nice, comfortable U-shaped dinette. This is also a really neat feature. This is a TV lift that I will demonstrate. So it's really nice to have the TV put away when you're not using it. And then, of course, it's situated directly across from the sofa, so you have easy viewing. Plus, look at the amount of counter space that you get in this coach. This is really nice. A lot of times people, say that there's not enough counter space with Class Cs, and that's not the case in this Leprechaun. Coachman's done a nice job with all the counter space. You've got a nice double stainless steel sink, 3-burner gas range along with your gas oven, vent, and your microwave. Tons of storage in this unit for your kitchen. We'll move to the back here. You've got your RV fridge with some more storage up top. This is a sliding privacy door here. And this is kind of a split bath. It's kind of an interesting setup. So you've got a nice corner shower here with plenty of space with a nice dome light, plus with a privacy curtain. And on the other side of it, you have your restroom right here. So you've got a 2-piece bathroom. And then all the way in the back of the coach, you've got a nice queen-size bed, storage on both ends, plus above your bed, you've got nice reading lights here. Plus, right there behind you, you've got a nice full wardrobe with a full mirror, and that provides really, really good storage as well. This is a pre-owned unit. It's a 2015 Leprechaun by Coachmen 31 floor plan. And my name is Emily McKinnon, and if you want to learn more about this RV or anything else that you see in our inventory, please give us a call. My extension is 2519. Our number is 541-998-1148. Until we see you next time, enjoy the road.